y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. So in today's video, I'm so excited to be showing you guys I finally got new pots. I know, it's been a long time. I should have got some a long time ago, but the day is here and I finally got some. So I wanted to tell you guys really quick about the pots that I always use. So years before I met Alan or planned on getting married, my aunt bought me a set of pots because she knew that one day when I got married, I wanted to do my home, or my kitchen anyways, in pink. So she had bought me these pots. And the reason I hadn't gotten rid of them yet or got new pots is because I'm just a little bit sentimental. And because my aunt bought them for me, I kind of just wanted to hold on to them. I knew that they were getting a little rough and it was time to upgrade, but you know, what can I say? I wanted to hold on to them a little bit longer, but I'm gonna be showing you my new pots today. I wanna tell you really quick, I get a lot of questions on where I got my pots. Woo! So these pans actually came with the light baby pink pot set, and I will put the brand name of the pots down in the description so you guys can check that out. But there's also another set of pans that I use, and these are a little bit darker. My mom had actually got these for me in Texas at a grocery store that they only have in Texas. It's called HEB, and these were seasonal. I don't think they have them anymore. This was about 3 or 4 years ago. So yeah, the light pink pots came from one place and these pans came from another. So now I'm super excited. I'm going to do an unboxing of my new pots. I haven't even opened the box yet or looked at them.
Special delivery.
Okay, so let me move all of these pots out of the way, and my husband is going to be helping me unbox my new pots right now. I'm super excited about this, and I cannot wait to use them. That's upside down, babe.
Oh.
No.
You don't have to. You live on.
Can you show off? I'm so excited. I got new pots.
So bring these cooking videos to a whole nother level.
Oh yeah. How are we gonna get all this out? Is it 2 different boxes?
No, it's just like
Oh, this is one box. Just
a box and a cover to the other side. It's very intricate.
Okay, so just so you guys know, I actually got these pots from Walmart, and I will link it down below in case you guys want to check them out. It also came with a free Google Home, and these pots were actually on clearance, so it's a really good price right now if you want to purchase them. So the pots I purchased are actually Tasty brand. I'm not sure if you've ever seen them, but they are all over social media, and it also came with a book with some recipes inside, which is really awesome.
Set this down.
This Google Home Mini is really nice. And we're back to see the pots!
Yeah, so wanna do that first unboxing?
Okay, so not only did these come with pots, it came with a lot of stuff. So this is all Tasty brand, and this is actually a 4-piece glass prep bowl set, which is really awesome. So I got 4 new little bowls, which you can use for seasonings and stuff like that, for cooking tutorials, or whatever. You could have a little bowl of fruit or a tiny bowl of cereal. You could use it for snacks. The set also came with 2 brand new baking sheets, and they have a little red and blue kind of rubber thing here. But yeah, so I got 2 new baking pans or baking sheets, whatever you call them. And here is the first pot we're opening. And so we're moving on from pink pots to blue. So this is the first pot we've got open. I'm not sure if this is the small or medium, but wow, I am absolutely loving this color. They have a really nice rubber handle here, and then a glass. This doesn't go with this. It was packaged together though, wasn't it? So this comes with a glass top and another rubber handle on top.
Those are this
Woo!
one. There's more goodies in that pan.
Okay, so it also came with 2 free cookie cutters, which are in the shapes of emojis. And it also came with these multi-color measuring spoons, which is awesome.
Pan for the eggs.
We got a frying pan for some scrambled eggs, and this is what it looks like. These are so cute.
Spoons and spatulas.
We also got a rubber spoon and a spatula, which I need because I'm always forking my pots and y'all are always pointing that out. So, yay, we got some rubber spatulas. Got another smaller pot here. We also have another frying pan. So this is actually, how many pieces come in the set?
30 something.
Is it a 30-piece set? So this is the 30-piece set.
33.
Not sure exactly. I will post that information down below. But they also have a smaller set. If you're not interested in getting all of these pieces, they have a smaller set you can also purchase. Really big lid here for my really big pot.
And there's something else in this box.
Really?
In the pot.
Okay, so this is what my big pot looks like. Oh my god, I love this. It's so big and perfect. Now these have actually the long handles on them, but this pot has the two little rubber grips on each side. Oh, that doesn't go with that either. What does that lid go with?
That.
Yeah, but what does that lid go with?
I think for this.
Oh.
For this pan.
What is this pan?
It's for the for like meats.
It's so like deep though.
It's perfect to add sauce to the meats when you're cooking the meats.
Oh my gosh, and it has a lid too. I didn't own one like this before. And it also
so the oils don't splash too.
has the long handle here and the rubber grip here and the lid. That is so cool. So many pots. Ah! This set came with so many extra goodies. Really? Oh, these are multicolored. Oh, these are glass. Oh wow. This is so cute.
Porcelain.
A little dipping thing. Look, and they're also, these are microwave and dishwasher safe. I hope these pots are. I'm pretty sure they are. So it comes with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different bowls.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, mine too. Matches the pots.
The kitchen.
Yeah. These are so cute. I can't wait to get started. So this was just the unboxing part of the video. I wanted to show you guys that I actually did get new pots and pans and all of this extra fun stuff. But we're also going to be doing cooking, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, look at my pots, y'all. Okay, so I just wanted to remind you guys that I am going to be posting a link in the description in case you want to get this pot set or even the smaller piece set. The link will be down below if you want to check it out. Also, don't forget with this pot set, you actually get a free Google Home Mini, which is awesome. Goodbye, old pots, and hello, new pots. And all of my fun new little accessories and little cookbook. Oh, I almost forgot to show y'all. I also got a new can opener, which is the same brand as the pots, Tasty, and it matches them. Isn't this so cute, so pretty? So tonight I'm going to be making some pork chops, some potatoes, and some green beans. These pork chops are from Wegmans, and we like to buy the big 8-pack. They're only $8 and some change, and they are delicious. I'm also going to be using these red potatoes, which are also Wegmans brand, and these green beans, which are also Wegmans brand. Shout out to my Weggies lovers! So first things first, I'm going to season these pork chops with some salt and pepper, some garlic powder and onion powder, and I'm going to do that on both sides. So I'm taking a little bit of olive oil and putting it on a paper towel and just wiping the inside of my pan a little bit because the instructions said to do something like that. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to add some olive oil in the pan to cook the pork chops. So I already have some potatoes in my pot, as you can see here. I actually thought I was recording the whole time, but turns out the camera was not recording. So I'm just cutting up the rest of my potatoes and putting them in the pot, and then I'm going to boil them. So I'm cooking these pork chops on medium and low heat, kind of switching back and forth and just turning them every so many minutes. I'm also adding a little salt to the water with my potatoes, and I'm opening my can of green beans, girl. So for my green beans, I just add a little bit of butter in there with some salt and pepper and garlic powder. And yes, I know I'm still using a fork in my pan, but I'm not actually letting the fork touch the pan. I was just using the fork to flip the pork chop because that's all I had at the moment. Now I'm just giving y'all a little dance because, you know, I'm excited about my food and I'm excited about my new pots. Now I am draining my potatoes just by using the lid of the pot. I probably need to invest in a strainer, but yeah, I should do that one day. But anyway, so I'm just adding butter, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder to my potatoes. So this is my little plate looking sad as always, and this is Alan's plate always looking good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Wait, what did you take a bite of?
Push up?
Nom, 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 nom. Let's reenact our noodle kiss with a green bean. I'm joking. You thought I was serious?
Yeah.
You was getting ready for a big kiss with a green bean?
Yeah.
Is it just because you want to kiss me?
I don't want to kiss me.
Alright, so now it is time to clean up this mess I've made. So the rest of the video is just going to be me cleaning up the kitchen. I had to do a little hand washing because our plates from Z Gallery are not dishwasher safe. So I had to end up hand washing them. But I ended up just putting everything else in the dishwasher and just wiping off the countertops and the stove and putting everything away. So yesterday I ran out of dishwashing detergent for my dishwasher, so I ended up making my own from scratch, and it actually turned out pretty good. So that's what you're gonna see me holding in a bowl and like showing it to you. It's like a liquid, but yeah, it turned out really nice and it worked really good because I tried it out yesterday, so that was awesome. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I also wanted to give a shout out to my mom and say thank you for getting me my new pot set. She hooked me up with those, so thanks Mom, I love you. Give this video a like and leave me some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!